All right, guys, Austin got with me this morning. I guess we're getting some calls on folks concerned with tariffs and concerned about pre-ordering and what that's going to look like price-wise. If I pre-order today, and tariffs run up even higher, is my price going to change when I pick up 3 or 4 months down the road? No, that answer is no as of now. If you order from us, the price that we give you is the price we're going to honor, even if the tariffs go up even higher, which they have gone up. We are absorbing that cost. We are not raising our prices as of right now. It sucks, but it's part of it, right? You got to give an attractive unit for an attractive price, and you guys got to get your money back. We'll work with you the best that we can on that. Thus, I have a lot of stock. I'm fortunate enough, I put a lot of money into a ton of stock, which we have here. Would I sit on that and wait and see, what the tariff's going to do later to pay more? No, I probably wouldn't do that. If I needed stuff from Home Depot, I'd go probably get it pretty quick while they pre-tariff got that product in before that goes up. These things are going to go up some. That's just the way that is. But our mindset is, I think we're okay. We run a pretty lean business, and we can still give a great product at a great price as of right now. Will things change in ordering in the future, or what does that look like? We don't know, right? So I think it's, the debt has to be paid down. The interest rate's way too high when they renegotiate that here in 3 or 4 months. I think all these plays are to get the interest rates down, which I think you're going to see the Feds doing some cuts. These moves make that happen, and then when they have to refinance the debt, the payment's going to be a lot less, and to get to a zero balance, that makes a lot more sense. So I think, what the hell do I know? I think that's the play for everything I'm reading and watching. Also, I'll tell you this, and a great reason to come and buy some of this stock up is, guys, here's an opportunity of a lifetime, and it's not financial advice, but listen to this. If you work your ass off this summer and you play the stock market with the way it's dropping, there's companies it's generational wealth. And again, it's always a gamble, but there's companies that are getting so cheap, it's ridiculous. You watched it during COVID. That's how everybody made millions and millions of dollars. They were scared. Everybody got scared. Everybody got out of the market. Everybody freaked out, right? And then all of a sudden, the market shoots back up and makes millionaires 3 and 4 times, right? So they're going to suppress this thing. You've got big time companies, NVIDIA, Rigetti Computing, all this AI stuff. It's not going to go away. We can't not have AI and let China and everybody else have AI. It's not how it's going to work. So these companies are going to rebound. They're going to rebound in a huge way. Is that the bottom? Can you time the bottom? I don't know about that, but look, what I will tell you is we're going to bust. I told the young guys that work for me, do everything you can this summer to bust your butt. Put that money, act like you never got it, put it in the stock market, and just give it a little bit of time and buy, average down, and just keep moving that money in the stock market, pretend you never had it. Watch what happens in about 2 years, because it's going to turn. And I think when it does, it's going to turn at a high rate, and the market's going to go insane. Not in the near future, but I think very quickly. I think on the backside of this year, you'll see it. So there's going to be more bleeding, more hemorrhaging coming through the year a little bit on this side. I think rental-wise, we're going to be fine. I think it's still going to be a great year. Again, you can only, the beauty of our benefit of this business, I was around in 2008. I've seen actual recession, crash, and I still grew. Because there again, mom's going to find the money for the birthday. It's just the way it is. And you can't celebrate it. I always say this, you can't celebrate a 10th birthday when you're 11. It doesn't work, right? So they find the money. So I think that side's going to be fine. Come get your stuff. Yes, you can order, and that's going to be the price, and we're going to honor the price when it comes in, regardless of what the tariffs do. And we have a plenty of stock, guys. So sitting on your thumbs and all that doesn't work. You got to be proactive and go out and get it. I would bust my can as hard as I could and put any money I could in the market. It's not financial advice, but again, that's how these guys do it. You buy the fear. You don't chase when it's going up. When everybody gets scared to death, all these institutions are running these prices down in these stocks and scaring the retail out. Retail is guys like us. They're scaring you out, right? And all of a sudden, stock goes through the roof, and that's how they make millions and millions, and they continue that cycle. So we're in good shape. Don't worry about tariffs. As of yet, they have gone up. We're absorbing the cost. Stuff's here to get. I don't know what the future is going to bring. If you order, yes, we'll honor it. Will the prices be the same as I'm ordering moving on and tariffs come in? We'll see what happens there. But we've got plenty in stock. No need for you to even worry about that and sit on it. We're in March. April's around the corner. May, everybody's going to be back in full swing. So let's quit sitting on our thumbs. Let's go out and get it, put the money in the stock market, and get generational wealth.